Hi friends and welcome to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. I'm back with my love for fighter planes and this is the one which I have made today. This is a bit complicated one, but if you go through each and every step very carefully and very slowly, then you will definitely will able to make this kind of plane. So just watch carefully and enjoy doing this fighter plane. So for making this jet fighter plane, what we require is simple craft paper. I'm using this standard size craft paper available in the market, 21 centimeter by 30 centimeter, and we will require scissor. That's it. So let's start. Let's first make this particular paper into perfect square size paper. So I'm folding it this way and let's cut it out. So this square size paper is ready. We already have this diagonal fold which is on this side, so just turn the paper on opposite side and we will make diagonal fold on opposite side this way. Now we will make opposite side fold exactly opposite to each other, another fold for other side. So we are ready with all folds. Now just place this paper like this diagonally so that this sharp edges are upside. Now lift this paper this way, make these folds like this, put them here and press it from the top. The way in which we have made these diagonal folds and parallel folds will make it easy to have this shape. So what we have done is, these two edges of diagonal folds which are protruding outside, we have folded this way, place them at this bottom square and press from the heart. So whatever structure we have created is like this. There will be two pins inside and cover from top and bottom and overall in this shape. This top corner is the close end and these are open ends. Now for next fold, just pull this corner and align it with, from open end side, align it with properly with the center fold this way. Same way we have to do it for other side. So just lift this, align it with this center fold and align it properly. Now these two folds are important to us, but we want these two folds, open it up, we want these two folds from the opposite side also. For that purpose, just lift this entire portion, take it to the other side and fold here, this way. Open it up and again put it back. The advantage is we have made this particular fold on both sides. Likewise for this fold also, it is right now on one side, we want it from other side also. For that purpose, lift this particular partition here and then fold it from the opposite side this way. Again open it up, again put it back to the right place. So we are having these two folds which are folded from both sides. That is required for our next step, which is just pull this particular leaflet and open it up like this, up to this particular edges, two edges. Just open it up, put it hard, and now you have to push this particular portion using this double folded edge what we have done to put it inside like this. Align this to our folded edge like this. Same way, use this folded edge to put this particular face, particular portion inside like this. This way. So you are having these edges and this particular fold, and then align it and put it properly. Right. Same thing we have to do it for opposite side, so let's make it. This fold is complete. This fold is also complete. Now open it up. We want this edge to be folded from other side also, so put this flap to this side and fold it to opposite side. Same is for this particular thing. Put this entire flap on this side and fold it to opposite side. Again open it up. Again bring it back to original position. Now for next step, just pull this particular leaflet up to these two edges. Push it like this, and making use of this double-sided fold what we have made, try to push this inside this way. Same way, try to put this inside, same way, and put it properly. So we are having this structure. Now this structure is like, there is a center triangle in between, flap on this side, flap on this side. Now flap which is on opposite side, let's put it at the bottom this way. So we are having this flap and this flap. One flap we have folded at the bottom. Now keep that bottom portion on your side and this open flap on this side. Now we have to make another two folds. Pull this pin and fold it, aligning with this particular center edge like this, and press hard here. Now we also want this edge to be folded on opposite side. For that purpose, again open it up, take this entire fin from the center line to opposite side and fold it in reverse direction this way and make it hard, so that this edge is now from both sides. Again open it up. Now open it up to the center. Now open this end, particularly this corner end, by putting your finger inside this way, so that it opens up, and just push it down, so it gets folded into proper shape this way. Same we have to do for this side. So just lift this fin, fold it like this, make this edge sharp. Again open it up. Since we want double fold on for this fold, just pull this entire thing on the opposite side and put the fold again this way. Right, press it hard. Again open it up to center, put your finger here and press it from this side, so it will automatically come to this particular shape. So now your shape is looking like a star, a kind of star. Now fold this to one side this way, as well as this to one side this way. Right? Now turn around and fold this entire thing to bottom side this way. These things very firm and neat. Now open up and open up from this side, so that you can see the small triangle on this side, fins at the lower side. So on opposite side. Now we have to cut this edge up to this point. So take a scissor and simply cut this edge up to this point. That's it. Right? Now remember, for next step, we don't have to do it from this side. Just turn this thing upside down. So we are at this portion. Now we have to make this particular tricky fold. Just remember, your cut is up to here. So just leave some distance from here, say around 1 or 1.5 centimeter, and try to fold this way from this edge. the fold should completely come from this edge. This is the only tricky fold in this entire craft. So just see that your fold is starting from this edge, this way, not much. This should come out like this, but not much. Got it? So if you see straight, this edge is like this, and this edge is also triangular, not in straight line. Small fold. Now we have to make similar fold on this side, aligning it with this edge. So just put this, lift this fin, put it at the bottom. Now you try to fold this thing by aligning this corner with this corner. This corner should get aligned, and fold should start from this top end. So how? This way. This is the only two tricky folds which we have to do perfectly to get good results. This way. That's it. So we are having these two folds like this. Now turn this around. So we are having these two folds like this, and make this into simply this way, half fold. So these two fins will get automatically aligned like this. They will go inside, and these two things will be on the outside. Just press it hard. Lift it up. Align it properly. You have to cut small portion of this. So take a scissor and just have a cut so that these ends will not be sharp, but it will be flat edges like this. That's it. Right? Now you have to fold this fin. You have to fold this fin like this. And fold this fin like this to opposite side. This way. Right? Once you are ready with this, now we have to simply lift this entire half and fold it in such a way that this edge will match with this edge, like this. Let this corner be sharp and try to match this edge with this edge. Lift entire thing up this way. Press these folds very hard and sharp. Same way, take it to the opposite side. Again, align this edge with this edge. Just lift entire thing up and align it properly. Fabulous. Now just open it up. Just open it up. Just make these two things parallel to each other. So your aircraft jet fighter plane is now ready to go across for fighting. I still enjoy playing with planes. I hope you must have liked this video. Just click on like button, send your comments, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share it with your friends. See you soon with some more videos in same series. Bye.